Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2019 Ford Fusion Titanium Hybrid, stock number E2146P. Only 12,000 miles in this Fusion, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Velocity Blue in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. It's a very safe vehicle. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors, helping give it a 5-star overall government crash rating. Nice sized trunk, wide opening, makes it easy to get things in and out, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This titanium hybrid has keyless entry along with touchpad entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Start. Large, easy to read gauges. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, navigation, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate, as well as heated and cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's material. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, power moonroof control, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Fusion has a 2-liter 4-cylinder matched with a hybrid electric motor, and of course just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Exceptional fuel economy, EPA average of 43 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 41 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. For more information on this Fusion, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.